Sometimes, it's not just a machine. It's a part of you. And when it's gone, it feels like you've left a piece of your heart behind. This is my story. The story of my first motorcycle. It was a Honda Unicorn, small capacity 160cc engine. Nothing extraordinary, they'd say. Its maximum speed was just 110 kilometers per hour. And its maximum torque, 14.61 Newton meters. But to me, it was everything. It's on this bike that I learned it all. How to ride with confidence, how to navigate busy streets, and how to practice those slow, steady skills. It wasn't just teaching me to ride, it was teaching me to dream. But life moves forward. I sold it, knowing soon that I will have a bigger, better, and a faster motorcycle. And yet, watching this new owner ride away with my first bike, I couldn't stop this ache. I didn't just lose a bike. I lost a part of me. How do you keep the memories alive without clinging to the past? Because even as I wait for my next bike, I know the real journey isn't measured in engine capacity or top speed. It's measured in memories, lessons, and growth. So here's to the road ahead, to bigger adventures, wiser decisions, and a heart full of gratitude for where it all began. Be better, be safer, be wiser, and keep those memories close to you.